Ready? Okay, this is our ALS ice truck challenge. We saw a lot of gay stuff going on with loaders. Looked real nice, but you didn't get very much ice on you.
Kind of weak.
A little bit gay. So we got some Red Bulls. Kick it off. I'd like to nominate Thomas Sandboss, Grant G. Rod Mulder, and Dan Hannum, my main man. Dan is already eager to help out, apparently.
I nominate Cody Rodney, Craig Blanchard, and Pittsburgh.
So we got a fuck ton of ice in there, got a fuck ton of water, got some Red Bulls. It's time to get country. Oh fuck. Oh fuck! I got it. Oh, that's bad.